Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th subject GK chapter 14 and 15. Discoveries galore. Brilliant scientists from many fields like biology, physics, astronomy and chemistry have found answers to puzzling questions and achieved tremendous progress. Given below are some achievements by famous scientists. Use the help box and name them scientists. First one is French chemist and microbiologist enhance the understanding of microorganisms, the causes of disease and disease prevention is Louis Pasteur. Is now the second one showed that blood circulates in one direction around the body pumped by the heart is William Harvey. Okay, now the next one is a German engineer in 1856 invented the first particle four-stroke combination engine is Nicholas Otto. Now the fourth one developed the theory of universal gravitation gave the three law of motion is Isaac Newton. Now the next one invented the telephone, study the human voice and experiment with sound is Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Now, the sixth one, the Italian scientists developed the telescope, made revelatory observation about our solar system, discovered the moon that orbit Jupiter is Galileo Galilei. Galileo an English naturalist and geologist is involuntary theory established that all species of life involved for common ancestors is Charles Darwin. Here we have completed the page number 24 and the 25. Now come to the chapter 15, wrestler bustler. Wrestling is one of the most insane sports in the world. It has been popular in India since time. Wrestling was included in the Olympics in 708 BCE, making it among the oldest, the most important event in the Olympic game. So here we have to identify the Indian wrestler. First one, she won the gold medal in 2014 Commonwealth Games and 2018 Commonwealth Games. She also won silver medal at the 2010 Commonwealth Games and bronze medal at the 2012 World Wrestling Championship is Babita Kumari. So right here Babita. Now next one is at the 2016 Summer Olympics. She won the bronze medal in the 58 kg category, becoming the first Indian female wrestler to win a medal at the Olympic and fourth female Olympic medalist from the country is Geeta Pogod. Third one, she won, sorry, this is not a Geeta Pongar, this is Shakshi Malik. By mistake, I have written over here. She is a Shakshi Malik. Now, she won Indian first ever gold medal in wrestling at the Commonwealth Game is Geeta Pogod. Okay. Now the fourth one, he won Indian first gold medal on August 19, 2018 Asian Games is Bajrang Punia. Is Now fifth one is at the 2012 Summer Olympic he won the bronze medal in the 16 kg category. He has awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2013. He won a gold medal at the 2014 Commonwealth Games is Yogesh Vardhat. So children, here we have completed chapter 14 and the chapter 15, and you have to do this work in your textbook only. Thank you.